news. Former Baltimore City Mayor Catherine Pugh was sentenced to 6 months in jail after pleading guilty to a state perjury charge linked to her Healthy Holly book scandal. Crime and Justice reporter Joy LaPola is live outside the courthouse where Pugh just left. Joy?
Well, former Mayor Catherine Pugh left the courthouse here in downtown Annapolis, surrounded by cameras and journalists. She had no comment, instead allowing her attorney to field our questions. In court, it was much of the same. She only spoke softly to answer questions posed by the judge as well as her attorney. Now, this perjury charge actually stems from Pugh's failure to disclose her Healthy Holly dealings in financial disclosure forms when she was a state senator. Here's what the state prosecutor had to say following today's court proceeding.
We believe that it is important for the state of Maryland, not just the federal government, for the state of Maryland to hold its officials accountable, particularly when they violate the public trust and engage in corrupt actions. The key to our ethics system in the state, the key to our efforts to ensure public integrity is transparency. Ms. Pugh, by perjuring herself on her financial disclosure forms where she listed other business entities, as I discussed in the statement of facts, so she clearly knew she had to list business entities that she was deriving profit from. The one that she systematically did not was Healthy Holly.
Now, the reason why that information was not disclosed is because she was trying to hide it. That's what the federal case and the federal charges she eventually pleaded guilty to stemmed from. Now, this sentence, this 6-month sentence, will run concurrently with her federal sentence, which she is expected to begin serving next week when she surrenders to federal authorities. And it's also worth noting that when the judge addressed Pugh during her plea hearing this afternoon, as well as her sentencing, that he said that when he learned of her criminal activity, he was actually saddened, saying that he looked at her as a bright light in the city when she was elected mayor. He also said that he did not believe this was her final chapter. You'll hear what her attorney has to say about those comments at 5 o'clock. Reporting live in downtown Annapolis, Joy LaPola, Fox 45 News.